Good morning, my beautiful viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking the Kubota over to help out a good friend of mine named Bob. He had a load of gravel delivered yesterday and needed some help spreading and leveling it. We'll be doing a lot of back dragging and the float mode to keep the driveway smooth and even without creating any low spots. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. There is something satisfying about taking a rough pile of gravel and turning it into a smooth driveway. Today's project involves spreading number 4 gravel, which can be challenging due to the larger stone size. That's where the Piranha tooth bar really earns its keep. The larger rocks slide between the teeth, allowing the bucket to glide across the surface while still moving material where it needs to go. Most of today's work will be done by back dragging with the loader in float mode. When the bucket is floating, the loader's weight naturally follows the driveway's contours. If you dig too aggressively, you'll create low spots that collect water after every rainstorm, and the key is patience and multiple light passes rather than one heavy pass. Helping Bob today reminds me that good neighbors and good friends are worth more than any piece of equipment. Bob and I have been friends for many years. We've spent countless hours drinking coffee and occasionally heading out for breakfast, solving the world's problems one conversation at a time. Bob owns his own business supplying lawn treatments and chemicals. If you've watched my mowing videos, you've probably noticed that I don't have many weeds in my grass. There's a reason for that. Bob usually makes at least 2 applications each season in addition to the spraying I do myself. I give him a lot of credit for teaching me about turf management, weed control, and proper lawn care. In fact, some of you may remember that I mentioned making a video about treating nutsedge. Yesterday, Amazon delivered a sedge hammer, so that video is still coming. Bob recently treated my lawn for nutsedge, and in exchange, I'm helping him level his driveway today. That's how good friendships work. Everyone brings something different to the table. Our friendship has always been based on sharing knowledge. Bob has taught me a tremendous amount about grass, weeds, fertilizers, and lawn maintenance. In return, I help him maintain his personal vehicles and the trucks he uses in his business. Whenever he runs into a mechanical problem, he'll stop by the shop and ask a few questions. He learns from me and I learn from him. How cool is that? Years ago, Bob sold me the commercial grade Ryan Core aerator that you've seen behind my tractor. He didn't just sell me the machine. He explained when to use it and why aeration is so important. I usually aerate at least twice a year, especially in early spring, because it helps relieve soil compaction and allows water, air, and nutrients to reach the roots. And it's amazing how often the best lessons come from friendships and simple conversations over coffee. Sometimes we think knowledge only comes from books or schools, but much of what I've learned over the years has come from listening to people with experience in a particular field. As I make another pass down this driveway, you can see why taking your time matters. A smooth driveway doesn't happen by accident. It takes patience, the right technique, and a willingness to go over the same area multiple times. The float function on the loader is doing exactly what it's designed to do, letting the bucket ride naturally across the gravel instead of digging holes. The weather has been cooperating lately, which makes driveway work much easier. Fresh gravel spreads better when there's a little moisture in the ground. Dust stays down, and the finished product compacts nicely after a few rainfalls. One of the things I enjoy most about country living is neighbors helping neighbors. Whether it's spreading gravel, mowing grass, repairing equipment, or offering advice, everyone has skills that can benefit others. That's one of the reasons I enjoy making these videos. We all come from different backgrounds, but there's always something we can learn from one another.